How to clean the carburetor on a Murray Push Mower. Murray manufactures push mowers with either Briggs and Stratton or Tecumseh engines. Each of these engines includes carburetors that need occasional cleaning to keep them running and starting correctly. Lawn mowers that do not start easily, start and immediately die or idle and run roughly point to a dirty carburetor that needs attention. Things you'll need: towel, screwdriver, compressed air, carburetor cleaner. Park the Murray Push Mower, turn it off and allow it to cool completely. Wipe the exterior of the air filter clean with a towel. Insert a screwdriver into the screw in the air filter cover. Turn the screw counterclockwise to loosen and pull it straight off. Pull the air filter cover straight off. The air filter cover is on the opposite side of the engine from the exhaust pipe. Pull the air filter out of the cover and spray it off from the inside with compressed air. Set the filter aside. Insert the small application tube in the nozzle of a can of carburetor cleaner. Spray the flat metal choke plate on the carburetor with carburetor cleaner. This is a metal plate that covers the carburetor opening. Move the choke plate aside with one hand and insert the carburetor cleaner tube into the opening of the carburetor. Spray the internal components in the carburetor with the cleaner. Move the fuel linkage forward and back and spray it with carburetor cleaner. The fuel linkage is a small metal plate on a metal wire that leads to the gas control on the lawnmower. Replace the air filter and cover. Insert the screw into the air filter cover and turn it clockwise with a screwdriver to tighten it into position. Tips: warnings. Clean the spark plug at the same time that you clean the carburetor. Pull the spark plug wire off, unscrew the spark plug and spray it with carburetor cleaner. Pour a teaspoon of fuel into the spark plug hole and replace the spark plug and wire. There is no need to remove the carburetor to clean it.